How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Spring and Ring. What is the name of the game? The objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate the ring from the spring. And the rules of the games are, you should not bend the spring, you should not break the ring, and you should remove the ring from the center of the spring and not from the ends of the spring. After you separate it, it will look like this. And your time starts now. Anybody was able to solve the puzzle? Okay, so do you want clue from me? Yes? So how do you ask? Come on with lots of love. Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is, please listen carefully. The clue is, bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. I repeat. Bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. And your time starts now.
Can we give her a big round of applause? Thank you so much, Abilasha. We are proud of you. Thank you so much for the participation. What did we learn from this simple game? Chinna or twist. Chinna or twist. In the program, what purpose na technically ningala nalla pandreenga. In the chinna twist vanduchina adutha level poidalam. It's a small twist. It's a very important. We are communicating, but I am going to teach you art and science. Did you ever think the importance of presentation? Did you ever think body language is so important? From now onwards, I will work on my body language. From now onwards, I will work on my presentation skills. From now onwards, I will ensure that I dress properly. I present myself. I communicate. Chinna twist vandal bodam. Isn't it? Any other learning from this game? So let this chinna twist be not just a twist, but it's a transformation in your life. Learn to promote yourself. Doing hard work, doing smart work, hard work plus promote your work. You're doing really good work. Work nalla irukku. Presentation skills illa, communication illa, kaamikka maatom, naanga silent varuvom, silent povom. Please work on that. I hope in the chinna twist becomes a big transformation in all your life.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.